It's not because your body is just getting old, it's because a silent problem is shutting down the deep muscle fibers that keep you strong, stable, and pain-free. Years ago, Shaolin warriors trained in a way that helped bring that strength back without beating up the joints. While many people over 50 keep pushing through heavy repetitive workouts, that constant wear can leave the knees aching, the shoulders tight, and the back feeling worse. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful Shaolin Isometric holds that can help rebuild real strength with less strain. But first, we need to start with the foundation, because if this first piece is weak, everything else feels unstable. So let's begin with the first hold and wake up the strength. Most people do not even realize they are losing. Most people think this move is just another ab exercise. It is not. If you do it right, it can change the way your whole body feels. The hollow body hold. This first hold is not about getting a six-pack. It is about building deep core support so your body feels stronger and safer. Think of it like a brace for your spine. When that support is weak, the lower back often pays the price. That is why many people over 50 feel discomfort during core exercises. It is not always a weakness. Sometimes the deeper muscles are just not switching on. Here is what most people get wrong. They keep bending, twisting, and doing endless reps, thinking more movement will fix it. But if the deep core is not active, that extra motion can put more stress on the back. This hold helps wake those muscles up. Here is how to do it. Lie on your back and press your lower back into the floor. Squeeze your glutes, straighten your legs, and lift them a few inches. Reach your arms overhead and hold. If your lower back lifts, stop and reset. If you are a beginner, start small. In week 1, bend your knees and keep your arms by your sides for 3 sets of 15 seconds. In week 2, extend one leg. In week 3, work toward the full hold for 30 seconds. This move can make standing, walking, and getting out of bed feel easier because your spine gets better support. This next hold looks simple, but for many people over 50, it quickly shows why the legs feel weaker and stairs feel harder than they should. The wall sit. This hold is not about gym strength. It is about building strong legs without stressing your joints. That matters even more after 50. Your quads and glutes help you sit, stand, climb stairs, and move with more ease. Here is what most people get wrong. When the knees start hurting, they either stop training their legs or keep forcing heavy squats. But more weight is not always better. Sometimes it only adds more stress. The wall sit works because it builds strength without all that extra joint movement. Here is how to do it. Stand with your back against a wall. Walk your feet forward and slowly slide down. Keep your back flat on the wall. Lower to a comfortable angle and hold. Press through your heels. You should feel your thighs burning, but not sharp knee pain. If you are starting out, stay a little higher and hold for 3 sets of 20 seconds. In week 2, go a bit lower and hold for 30 seconds. In week 3, work toward the full wall, sit and aim for 60 seconds. This move can make standing up, climbing stairs, and standing longer feel easier. A lot of people think tight hips are just part of getting older. But what if the real problem is not only stiffness? What if your body feels unstable and starts holding itself back? The horse stance. This hold may look simple, but it does a lot. It helps build lower body stability while opening the hips at the same time. That matters because tight hips can affect your balance and make simple movements feel awkward. Here is what most people get wrong. They try quick stretches and hope the hips loosen up. But if the body feels weak or unstable, it often stays tight. This hold works better because it builds strength and mobility together. Here is how to do it. Stand with your feet wide and turn your toes slightly out. Sink your hips down while keeping your chest up. Stay tall through the spine and push your knees outward so they line up with your toes. Then hold. If you are a beginner, keep the stance higher. In week 1, hold for 3 sets of 20 seconds. In week 2, go a little deeper and aim for 30 seconds. In week 3, work toward a deeper hold and build up to 60 seconds. This move can help you feel steadier when you walk. stronger when you stand, and less stiff after sitting. This next hold can humble you fast. It looks like part of a normal push-up, but for many people over 50, it reveals how much shoulder strength and control they have quietly lost. The bottom push-up hold. This hold is not about building a bigger chest. It is about building upper body strength in a safer way. That matters because the shoulders can get irritated easily, especially after years of pushing and lifting. Here is what most people get wrong. When pushing starts to hurt, they either stop or keep forcing it. But if the shoulder is unstable, more movement can make it worse. This hold helps build support around the joint without extra strain. Here is how to do it. Get into a push-up position and lower yourself slowly until your chest is just above the floor. Then hold. Keep your elbows close to your sides, brace your core, and keep your body straight. You should feel your chest, shoulders, and triceps working. Shaking is okay. Sharp pain is not. If you are starting out, do it on your knees or with your hands on a bench. Hold for 3 sets of 15 seconds. In week 2, try the full version for 20 seconds. In week 3, build toward a strong 30-second hold. This move can make pushing up from the floor, opening heavy doors, and lifting things feel easier. This last hold may not look dramatic, but it can show how well your whole body works together. The bear crawl hold. This hold is not about crawling until you get tired. It is about teaching your body to work as one unit from shoulders to core to legs. When that connection is weak, even simple movements can feel awkward and unstable. Here is what most people get wrong. They rush into fast or hard exercises before building control. That often leaves the body sore and worn out. This hold takes a smarter approach. It builds full body tension without extra strain. Here is how to do it. Get on your hands and knees. Place your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Brace your core, tuck your toes, and lift your knees 1 inch off the floor. Hold that position. Keep your back flat and your neck relaxed. You should feel your core, shoulders, and legs working right away. If you are a beginner, start with 3 sets of 15 seconds in week 1. In week 2, build up to 30 seconds. In week 3, aim for a full 60-second hold. This move helps turn strength into real control. It can improve the way you stand, walk, and move through daily life. That is the real goal. Not just stronger muscles, but a body that works together again. Getting stronger after 50 is still possible. The key is not doing more, it is doing it smarter. These 5 holds can help you build strength, improve control, and support your joints with less strain. You do not need all 5 today. Start with 1, learn it, feel the difference, then keep building. Now ask yourself, which hold felt the hardest? Your answer shows where your body needs the most work. If you want more simple strength tips that actually help after 50, subscribe, share this video,